Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of a Transporter T5.1. We've installed a DMX9720 DABS into this. As you can see here, it's a really nice fitment. You've got the nice fascia trim there, of what we call a plush fascia. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly and wired. We've got a USB in the glove box as well for the charging of any device. This has also got a factory camera in this, so we just pop it into reverse, and you can see there it comes up. Take it out, there we are. This also is operated from the steering wheel controls, so the volume control works on the steering wheel, forward and back track, answer and end. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter T5.1, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.